girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with.
Hey.
If you ain't talking about no money, tell them. Say la ha ha ha.
Hey.
Don't get mad, hoe. Get a bag, hoe. Don't get mad, hoe. You a broke hoe. What's poppin'? Ratchet. We live. Happy Wednesday, everybody.
Lovely.
Tune in. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in.
Yes. Happy Hump Day.
Happy Hump Day. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Ratchet Podcast. I'm your girl, Elle.
Erica. I'm Kaylu.
And again, we are your lovely hosts of Dallas Hottest Podcast. Yes.
Chat Podcast.
All right, y'all. So y'all know where we are. We are located in Dallas. We are your Dallas's hottest podcast. So thank you again for tuning in. Hello, for the people who do not fuck with us, but plan on fucking with us, where can they find us?
I can go ahead and let you know where to find us. Please make sure you subscribe on YouTube, which is Ratchet_Chats with the Z podcast. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram, which is Ratchet_Chats with the Z podcast. Make sure you tell your friend. And you know what? If you missed the show tonight, the video will be up in the morning. So I want to hear like, oh, I missed it. You can still watch it on YouTube.
You can still
the
watch
link is in the bio. Okay?
It's
There's no excuses at
No
this point.
support.
It's in all of our bios. So
We
you
appreciate the supporters.
Thank you for being faithful and loyal to our show, to all of our loyal followers. Again, there's no excuse. You can find the link in Ratchet Chat's bio, in addition to finding the link in all of our individual bios as well. So again, like, subscribe, comment, and again, tune in because we live every Wednesday night at 9:30.
Yes.
Erica,
This week, y'all.
what's popping tonight?
Okay, we're just gonna be talking about Hood Chronicles, hood shit. We're gonna get into it. But before we get into it, we haven't did something in a long time. So, ladies, I do need you to get in position. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your bitch will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, throw them hands.
Ooh.
Throw them hands.
Ooh.
Throw them hands. Throw them hands. Throw them hands. Throw them hands.
Hey, y'all. What's
Again, thank y'all for tuning in. So what's poppin', Ratchets? It's been a long week. What's new?
We're going to go ahead and get into our Ratchet social.
Yeah.
So, you know, the word on the street is somebody is expecting the baby.
With somebody else's ex.
Somebody's ex. I heard.
Okay, y'all, let's just be real. Safari and Erica are expecting.
Exactly.
Which, I mean, I kind of saw it coming. I'm honestly not surprised. I just didn't think it was going to come before the wedding. But I wasn't surprised that was coming. What do y'all think?
I mean,
Happy for them.
I feel like they're a good fit for each other. They actually, I don't know, it's just something about them that I like. I don't really like Erica. She's not just somebody I just fuck with, but you know, I like them two together. I don't see how he was ever with Nicki Minaj based off
How he is.
Yeah,
like,
he just seems
I don't know. He don't
Safari
seem
is
like
just
that
very
type.
down to earth. He just seems so genuine and cool.
I was just about to say that.
And I just,
and
he's
he's
so
always
outgoing.
himself.
Yeah.
Right, like he does seem genuine and caring. He's
And
always
it's
been like, I want a
so
girl, I want a wife, I want.
He's always been on that I want a woman type shit.
Exactly.
Yeah. I'm cool with it. Yeah. They're about to get married. I mean, they're expecting. It seems like it's genuine. I'm all for it.
And I can see why she owns Safari.
Again,
I can see why.
let's not forget, ladies and
The
gentlemen.
most important thing,
on
I'm
this
pretty
whole
sure.
combo is we know why she's with child.
We
now.
know. We know why she was.
And to be honest with you, I would have been with
I
child.
would have been with child too. Definitely with child.
Long time ago.
Because let's
Long.
not forget that picture that we've
Oh
seen
my
of
God,
Safari.
Oh my
Actually, I'm
God.
surprised it hasn't happened earlier.
Yeah, I'm honestly
I don't think I
surprised.
can handle all of it.
Y'all honestly handle Safari. Let's
Safari,
be
that's
real.
a big ass dick.
Could you deal with it?
Ooh.
Would you want to deal with it?
I don't know. You don't fuck some shit up, cuz.
I ain't better walk tomorrow. I gotta go to work tomorrow.
You still haven't told me if you're gonna deal with it or not. Are you gonna deal with it?
I'm gonna try.
Kyle's definitely gonna deal with
She
it.
said.
Elle's gonna deal with it.
And you
You
want
are
to.
too.
It's the manner in which we to do on that type of dick? Name one thing.
I probably would not be able to throw that ass back. On a big dick, I can't throw it back.
On a big dick, I can't throw it
I
back.
could probably take missionary.
I'll probably say riding.
Oh, riding.
You gotta sit down.
I forgot about that.
I would probably have to like tip ride.
I actually probably will be able to take it from the back before I can ride it.
I agree. I'll probably take missionary.
I'll take both of those before I ride
Cause
it.
missionary, it just come in a little bit.
Yeah, but if he starts to want to bend my legs back,
No,
then that's
we
a
can't
whole
do
other
that.
story. You can't do that when your dick is long. And that's just
I
bad.
heard.
I'm hurting.
Well, cheers to Erica and Safari.
Oh, Erica and Safari.
Erica and Safari.
I'm mad
Cheers.
now. Pay me.
Okay, since we from Dallas, we do have to touch up on something that's popping in Dallas right now, which is the hottest topic that's popping off in Dallas right now. Amber Geiger,
Yes.
Botham John, she got 10 years. Guilty of murder. Convicted of 10. Bitch might have to do 5, and then she's off on parole or probation. What do y'all think of this shit? I've been watching the trial since day one. What's up?
All that.
It was just a slap on the wrist, but I knew like she wasn't about to get no 20 years if she was a regular person, just kill somebody. No, because she a cop on top of it. So I'm not even surprised she got 10 years. I feel like she deserves more.
Yes, I agree. I think she should. I would have been satisfied with 20 and over. Like that lady
Right.
said, she should get nothing less than his age. She would have turned 28.
28 years of his life. She shouldn't have did the minimum of
But-
his life.
I have to look at it from a spiritual point of view because it did piss me off at first. But I mean, you know, and not to whatever you believe in. But you know, if God was to judge us all off our sins and held us accountable for everything we did, you know what I'm saying? Small, big, medium. We all be in hell. So we
That's
have
true.
to look at it like God allowed this to happen. He allowed her to be only receive 10 years. You know what I'm saying? She probably prayed to the same God we prayed to. So with that being said, you know, I don't know. It's like I said, I feel like she should have got more, but I can't dwell on it because it really, I got invested in it, especially
Yeah, me
the
too.
father.
Oh my God. From today, the father made me break down. When you speak of spiritual
gosh,
standards,
bro.
I'm going to piggyback on what you said. His brother.
Exactly.
When
I
he
gave him.
sat there and said he forgives her and he hugged her after she got sentenced to 10 years and said, even if you are really sorry, the one thing I want you to do is take this shit up with God. Like he said, you gonna deal with your guilt. He said, I don't even want you to rot in prison. He said, you basically at this point, you're gonna have to take this shit up with God in so many words.
Yep. So
And
real,
that was really big of him. I mean, it's just sad because you
And
feel
that's a lot for her to just carry, like.
because the whole world is probably gonna hate her now.
Right.
Period. I mean,
regardless. Even if she gets out in 10 years, no one is ever gonna
get a
forgive her.
job.
She'll never be a cop again.
You'll
And
never
in the fact, she going to jail with black women. No, they know about the
either
case.
you're gonna be in solitary confinement,
Exactly.
1 hour a day of freedom, or you're gonna be out there getting your ass beat every day. So
That's not gonna happen.
And
They're
even
gonna put
if
her
she-
in the best
and
content.
if she got 28 years or whatever, it's still not gonna bring him back.
Oh,
God rest
that's
his soul. But it's like I see so many people on Facebook just like going in, like, y'all, it happened. That's what it is. It's fucked up. But
Yeah, but if that was my son that happened to, I probably couldn't have that. You know, we only on the outside feeling emotional. It's not my child that happened to. So I personally, I can't be like, oh yeah, she got 10 years, she's cool, you know, like it is, because that's my child that she took.
Right.
He didn't do absolutely anything
Exactly.
wrong. And the content of what happened, I don't feel like the time that she got is equal to the crime that she committed, because
I agree.
again, he wasn't a threat, he didn't do anything wrong. So I just feel like we got the victory with the murder conviction, but then it was a slap in the face when they came back with 10 years.
especially when you have people doing time
And-
30 years for fucking weed, hoe ass drug cases.
My partner right now, Rambo, free Rambo by the way, got 15 years from hitting I-20 with some dope, just transporting. He has 15 years fan time right now, 15 years.
That's
Ain't no
crazy.
getting out early on that. That's day for day. And she just killed a man and she got 10 years, and my nigga got 15 years for just transporting a little dope. Again, I can't say that it's just fair at the end of the day.
I'm not saying it's fair at all. I agree.
I
It's not
agree.
fair at all. Like I said, I agree with that. And you know what else annoyed me? The first, in the closing statement, the first black girl, like, bitch, get
really good.
Don't have no pity on her. Fuck out of
But the part that got me was after his father's testimony.
Oh my God, that broke my
How
heart.
could y'all not give this woman more than 10 years when y'all seen that girl's father sit up there and
It's
break
a
down
cop.
the way
She's
he
a
did?
cop.
How could y'all not feel
It's
like she
called
deserved
white
more? That man
privilege.
broke down how highly he spoke of his son.
I talk my Sundays will never be the same. Cause they used to talk every Sunday.
That's so
And did you hear what
sad.
he said? He'll be on the phone. His mom will be like, "You want to talk to your dad?" And he'll be like, "No, I'll call him on his own phone." I was just like, they just had that bond. Like,
That was his son.
bro, that's amazing. That's sad. That amazes me how.
Everything is just sad about that. I don't know. The whole story
How
just
white
makes
people-
me so mad. Because it could have been avoided.
It definitely could have
It could have
been.
been
Like
avoided.
I say, if the shoe was on the other foot, if he had walked to her apartment and shot her while she was sitting on her couch eating ice cream, we know he would have life today.
Exactly.
So R.I.P. So
Definitely.
if the shoe was on the other foot, R.I.P. Bob John.
I just don't see why she just didn't call
Can't
the
be in the
ambulance
get
immediately. I don't see why.
And his birthday was Sunday, so happy birthday and R.I.P. Bob John.
Rest in peace.
And then why didn't she get charged with tampering of evidence? Did she not delete text messages?
She did a lot of things that she wasn't
That's
supposed to do.
tampering. That's a crime. She's a cop.
And the fact that she's been out free for an entire year until this trial, she's had a whole year of freedom, y'all. This man's life was taken away, and she's had a whole year to do what the fuck she wanted to do up
And
until
they
this
should have
trial.
drug tested her. She probably on some
How could she get away with being a free for a whole year? Why wasn't she jailed?
white privilege.
Well, R.I.P. Bible.
R.I.P. to him.
All right.
On a lighter note.
Hood Chronicles. Hood shit.
On a
Fuck shit.
lighter.
Dumb shit. Hey, Lou. Hood Chronicles.
Time to talk about some hood shit. Some shit that we just been wondering is this really some hood ass shit? So, you know, we about to get into the bowl. I guess I started off with our
Stop that
first
shit on
question.
KK.
Start
Okay,
getting shit out.
okay.
Start getting shit out. Start getting shit out. Start
What's
getting shit out.
up? What's up,
All right.
y'all?
Thank y'all for tuning in.
Our first hood
They tuning
question.
in because we live.
When should a nigga start wearing braids, man buns, beads?
Hold up, we gotta give disclosure.
Repeat that question
No,
again,
gotta
Caleb.
give disclosure.
We go ahead.
No offense
No offense.
to anybody. If this shoe fit, my nigga, no offense. This is just talk. It's our opinions. You don't need to give a fuck about it, okay?
Perfect.
We love you. Still fuck with us.
No one said we right or wrong.
Yeah.
It's not a right or wrong
This is how we
conversation.
feel.
This is
It's
just
three
what
more
we
bitches
think.
who probably disagree totally. But anyway, that was a disclosure.
Can Lou ask the question again?
Okay, the question is, when should niggas stop wearing braids, man buns, beads,
Extra shit.
extra ass shit
Girl, she.
that I hate?
Okay. I'm gonna start off.
Alright, go.
I'm not with the shits. And I say that because at a certain age, I mean, honestly, 90% of the time it's not acceptable. There's a handful of niggas that can wear that shit and it actually looks good and, you know, it doesn't make them, you know, look immature, you know. They don't have bald spots and little bitty braids that stop at the edge of the neck, like they don't have weave mixed in. I know you niggas is adding
Oh
in
my
hair.
God.
Get off the bullshit because I know a lot of niggas out here adding in hair. Why do that, my niggas?
Especially when you can feed in hair now.
You get feed in, bro. You niggas is around here with feed in braids and it's not what's up. So, and you know what? Speaking of that shit, I'm gonna start getting up in you niggas' scalp.
Yeah.
All you niggas around here with braids and shit. I know what you doing.
Start scalp checking and this.
Come here.
Scalp check. Baby, I'll rebraid it for you.
No, matter of fact, I'll take them down for you. What if you start taking the nigga braids down?
Like, your hair, I think your hair
And
falling out.
pieces hair. Ooh, I
say,
didn't do nothing.
And pieces coming out. What's up?
Really? I'm like,
Your
really?
hair
You
up.
know we?
Pick your hair up. Pick your motherfucking shoes and clothes and shit up and get the fuck
You gotta
out.
go.
You
Okay.
gotta get
What's acceptable?
why, my nigga, why you got weave in your hair though. Come on.
Not no damn.
You ain't got it.
Braids. When does it stop for you?
It just stops, period. Now, like you said, there's some guys who can really, really wear it and then look sexy as fuck. But some of you niggas who don't have good hair and you trying to get that braid, shit look flat, sloppy, just let it go.
And then, I don't know. It's just, y'all remember that little girl in elementary with that little bit of ponytail? Why y'all niggas think y'all don't look like that? Y'all think y'all shit look different or something? Cause y'all wrong? It look the same. Just like you used to look at that girl, that's how we looking at you.
Okay, so is the man bun not acceptable?
No, I hate it.
You hate the man bun?
I hate the man bun puff.
Just get your...
I hate the man bun puff. Kayla, you're right. I don't like the puff.
I don't like the puff.
I like the real buns.
I like soft.
You have to have actual hair to wrap up. It's soft when the nice clean cut fade. You know, I like a real bun. I don't like the struggle ponytail at the top for niggas.
I don't like it at all. And
Me
I don't
either.
like braids. I don't like ponytails. Like the fact that you sit down, getting your hair parted, twisted, or braided,
that don't bother me. Okay, so name one nigga that you think can fuck with braids and you think it's acceptable. We all gonna name one. Name one nigga.
Okay, I'm gonna say what's his name from Black Ink? Ryan.
Man, that was mine.
Okay, I'm gonna say AI, Allen Iverson. I've never seen him without braids, and he's still fine as fuck to this day. It's just a look that goes to him. AI, he's a nigga that can always rock braids.
He looks good with braids. That's because that's all
he's ever had. Who do you think can fuck with braids and is cool?
Davey. He just got braids, and they look good on him.
They look sexy as
so
fuck on him.
fine. And Nipsey, R.I.P. Nipsey.
You know what?
Nipsey!
I'll take braids out of the category because people can't rock braids.
Because you know what? I couldn't even see Nipsey with a fade.
Nip can wear ponytails. Sorry.
R.I.P. Nip!
Nip can wear
But
braids.
it's perfect with braids. Oh, I love it.
You realize the niggas we named, they got some good hair.
Davies.
Nip.
Who else is your name?
Ryan.
They have things to try.
AI.
Soft. Snoop Dogg.
Snoop can always fuck with braids.
Always. So yeah.
It's another one I could never imagine without her.
I can do dreads though.
I can never. His head too small.
And he would look
It's
sick.
just we've never seen him with a cut. It wouldn't even be right.
Sick. His head was like a
He's had hair since 18 years old. He's 50 years old. He's never not had a haircut.
It was just a long
What
little
about when
egg head.
niggas dye their hair?
What do y'all think about niggas that dye their hair? Colors and shit. Blonde, red.
Personally, I don't like that.
I'm good.
I don't like all the
I
extra
do,
shit.
so.
It's too much.
Anytime a nigga doing extra, like, I mean, don't get me wrong, I like a clean guy. You know what I'm saying? Every once in a while I get a pedicure, that's cool. I'm cool with that.
Right.
But a nigga who in a bathroom just as long as me, that's a problem. You using my products. I'm parting your hair for you.
Edge
doing
control.
ponytails. I gotta do my little girl hair and then I gotta do your hair. Same style. No.
Nobody got
I don't
time.
know. I just feel like that was cool if I was younger. And I'm not knocking it, fellas. Like I said, if you do it, hey, that's true. Some niggas don't like this hairstyle I got. Some niggas don't like short hair. Some niggas don't like braids.
Exactly.
So, but anyway.
Okay, so yeah, that's some niggas who can fuck with it. But 80% of you niggas, let that shit go, bro.
Let it go.
Ponytails is enough for me for sure.
Alright, so ponytails is a no. Struggle ponytails is a no. Little bit of braids that cut off at the edge of the neck is a no.
And worm rolls. But getting the dreads, I call them worm rolls.
Oh, I hate those.
Okay, so you niggas need to stop that braid shit. Next question.
Right.
Professor Ogilvy hairstyle.
And this question, I'm sorry, it might offend some folks. I have to give another disclosure on this one, because this is common. Unlike you braid wearing niggas, this question does go to a lot of people.
I'm scared.
And I like to know the truth.
Yeah.
Should you warn guests, and this is Hood Chronicles, Should you warn guests if you have an infestation of roaches?
Yes.
Yes.
Let me know.
Answer the question, ladies. Should you warn your guests if you have an infestation of roaches?
I feel like you should let them know. I mean, I wouldn't even have company, even if you don't want to let them know. Don't have nobody at your house so you know you got roaches. And I'm talking about roaches, bitch. You know what I'm talking about.
So you're not gonna have company at all if you have roaches.
If I had roaches, no. I'm sorry, guys. If I had roaches, no. I would not have no company over. No. I'm sorry. That's embarrassing.
That is embarrassing. I don't think.
Not knocking nobody.
I mean, if I had like 1 or 2 roaches, I might still have company. But like somewhere it's like a lot, and I'm like, no.
When every day you come home, you have roaches. Are you ever gonna have company?
Like I said, just depends on how bad it is.
Because I don't see a person not ever having company. You mean to tell me you never gonna have company if you have roaches? Are you gonna warn them? I have.
I would probably have like an outside event, like I don't know.
Be like, shit.
I just wouldn't want
I don't even know how to say that.
I don't like to be around them, so I wouldn't want nobody else around.
How did you say that?
Hey, I just want
I'll
to
come over your house.
in case you see some, I got some roaches.
Cases? I like
Now,
how you say
I ain't gonna stop. I fled for roaches a time in my life.
I'll be like,
Okay.
the neighbors,
Did you
they
still have
like
I'm not
dirty.
knocking it.
Did you still have company when you had roaches? And let's be 100.
Technically,
This is a
like-
real ass show.
Actually, I'm gonna say no because I ain't gonna say, I ain't gonna get details, but you know, the company that was there wasn't my company. It was the person's company.
So you never had company when you had roaches?
No.
No niggas over.
Oh yeah, I have had it. Yeah, I did. I did.
I was about to say,
Are y'all thinking of a time?
Well,
Did you have company over?
Yes.
Did you?
I did. I had water hooks. Big bitch. And I'm sorry. I still had niggas over. And I didn't give a fair warning, so was I wrong or not?
Okay, when you saw it, did you acknowledge the roach?
There was some times I played dumb and there was some times I did not.
so you play like you didn't have the roach, but you need to have it.
I had water bugs.
Water bug, sorry.
That's even worse. Big bitch.
Ew.
Ew.
Well, no, because you ain't gotta worry about water bugs. I don't need food out there.
And that'd be like 1 or 2.
Yeah, you're not gonna see a 3 or 4.
Many.
You might kill 2
But
that
they
night
so
and that's it.
disgusting though.
But do you
They
think
be
it's more
funny.
acceptable for niggas see a 1 or 2 water bugs come from under your couch or walk in your kitchen and flip the light and they're
I
scattering?
think he'd rather see a water bug. Ew!
He flips the light and they're scattering. So which one?
That's
That's
disgusting. I'd rather say water bug.
I'd rather see a fuck. I would go home immediately.
Which one are we accepting?
Scattering? No, I'm not accepting.
I'm sorry, this age,
Do
in
you
my
feel
life,
like-
this day and age in life,
Do you feel like the nigga should tell you he got roaches?
he shouldn't even let me go in the kitchen. I would be trying to make sure you avoid roaches at all times.
Well,
Like,
roaches
so-
don't just hang out in the kitchen.
You know what your roaches be.
They be in the bathroom. What if you happen to go and use the bathroom? Learn how to use the restroom.
No! I was gonna cut the light off for you.
You cut the light. You gonna sit up there and kill all of them before I come in there.
No, but I'm gonna do a little check through. You know, let me see.
Scare them out. Scare 'em.
So you gonna check your shit if you know you got roaches before your kids
Yeah.
go pee and shit.
Really, what I'm gonna say, if I got
Roaches be
roaches,
in the bathroom like, oh!
why you peeing? If I got roaches, I'm gonna be like, shit. In case you see something, these niggas next door, they nasty. I've been getting roaches from them.
Bitch gonna lie.
What if
You're
it's
not being a real nigga.
I'm being real.
Now, let me ask.
I have to fabricate the truth.
I already know though. That lets me know you've been knowing about these roaches, bitch.
Let me ask you
They
something.
just started happening.
Nah,
This
bitch.
shit new.
You give disclosure.
It wasn't there when I moved in. I didn't have no roaches.
Okay, so are you gonna be a real bitch and help him get rid of them, or are you gonna stop fucking with him?
It depends.
At this age,
Are you gonna be a real bitch and cut him off? That's how y'all really lie. Are you gonna be like, baby, let's go get you some white powder? I know something to get rid of.
I mean, if I gotta do that for you,
or are you gonna be like, what you gonna do?
I'll make a suggestion. You know, that suggestion like, oh, you should try this white powder. But I know me, I get turned off super easy. Like I can like you, and something like that can take place, and next thing you know,
don't like no more.
lagging at the text responses, all that little cute shit.
Hours to text back.
So do you play dumb or you let them know, look, I'm really good on you. I wasn't happy with the roaches.
I'm not gonna say that. I'll be too afraid to hurt somebody's feelings. So I wouldn't even say that. I'll just fall back. It's just not working out.
I got too much going on.
Yeah, I got a lot going on.
I can't dedicate my time right now.
I'm gonna fuck with you. Cause you could be a good man. And you can get about that roach shit.
You can.
You could be perfect. So I'm gonna fuck with you.
But I'm gonna fuck with you.
I'm gonna hold you down. I'm gonna try to help you get rid of the post. We might have to chill my shit. I probably won't be able to come to your shit.
Bring the roach off?
I was just about to say, you know,
What if we
travel.
bring the roach off?
We gonna kill it and keep it moving.
And then
But now you got roaches.
I'm gonna get that white powder.
Oh my god. Baby, you loyal. I'm out. You got roaches at my house. I'm
That
out.
roach gonna stop me.
What? Hell no. So all you niggas out there who got roaches,
Fucking with your roaches. Everything.
y'all hit Ella. She available. You know, she like roaches. She will help you kill them too. She will help you kill them too. So if you got that problem,
And she'll help you kill them too.
No, I won't.
Oh, you won't?
Will not.
Oh.
Nah, I'm sorry. I hate killing bugs.
Oh.
I used to do that shit when I was little.
Oh. Ooh. Exactly. I don't want to put our business in the streets. But.
you gonna put that she don't mind like killing roaches. Is there something that needs to
And
be?
I gotta say, it should definitely help you kill them.
I definitely help you.
So you got another one.
And that's it. And that's all I'm gonna say on that. Y'all
And we gonna leave
fuck
that
with
there.
us. When we get up there, I'll share that story. But
That'll be in my book of memoirs.
all I gotta say
That'll be in my book. There will be a
Ella
book.
tell us something that
We got some stories just over there.
just know we get through some shit together.
For real.
If we ever get rich, I'm not gonna play it up.
We do
And
got
y'all
some
can go
funny
back
ass
to this
shit.
video and remember that. Screenshot that.
Shit.
Real nigga shit. Next question.
L.
I need the first one.
Okay, this is a good one.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Okay.
Hood Chronicles 1-on-1. Fuck with it.
Y'all fucking on the air mattress or not? Period.
This shit about to go left, y'all. I'm about to warn y'all.
Disclosure.
Just know
Anybody
that.
want to give a disclosure?
Yeah, I just want to let y'all know we're not judging for the people who got air mattresses, got their beds on the floor,
And
pallets.
And
That's cool. This is just our opinion. We still want y'all to continue supporting the show, so just want to let y'all know that. All right, continue, Dee.
Okay. So basically, me, if I pull up to a nigga crib, and if I'm pulling up to your crib, we probably been fucking around. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking with you that I'm coming over there.
Yeah, he asked you to pull up. Y'all been vibing. Y'all cool.
This
You
ain't
very
no
sexy.
yeah, just FYI. Extra cause this is close.
He tell you, pull up.
Yeah, pull up. So we've been on, been on a couple dates.
Let's smoke and chill, baby.
Babe, I'm pulling up. Okay, one thing leads to another. Go to the room. Air mattress. I'm gone. I'm gone, Shawty.
So you pull up, you walk in. He you know, shit. Honestly, there's no other. Well, he has a couch in the living room. Let's just say y'all go in the living room. He has a couch and shit.
I hit.
He has a couch and shit, y'all chilling.
Why not come back?
Okay, how long?
He pulls you up
Okay.
and walks you to the bedroom.
Okay. I ain't opened the door yet, right?
He gently pulls you up. I started on the couch.
It's romantic.
And he gently pulls you to the bedroom. He opens the door. He has candles lit.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
But
Oh, he has a little.
on the floor, you see an air mattress.
Ooh.
And a little TV.
Ooh.
What are you gonna do? You gonna drop them drawers or what?
I'ma fuck. I'm gonna keep it real. I'ma fuck.
I'm
still.
gonna fuck.
Straight up. I'ma fuck. But I'm gonna go. And like in the morning, I'm out. Out of lingering around and shit.
Fuck, but I
Oh
ain't
my
never
God,
fucked
the
with you
bed.
again.
Yeah, I'm never gonna fuck you. That'll be the last time I fuck.
I may make a smart ass comment like, nah, nigga, where your bed at?
And if he do hit me up, I'm gonna be like, baby, I don't mean no harm, but do you got your bed?
I can't be sleeping on that.
How many
The dick was
hoes?
good, but baby, I need the bed, baby.
You fucking K-Lou. He politely take you to the room. You walk in. You horny. Y'all done damn near got started on the couch. You feeling this nigga. Everything is perfect until y'all walk in that bedroom door.
I probably am still gonna fuck. I'm probably gonna fuck on the air mattress. She's gonna be flat by the time we get done anyway.
Fuck on the couch.
So we probably gonna go back to the couch.
The air out that bitch.
We all gonna bust the air out that bitch.
Ooh.
We all gonna bust it.
Doing the most on the air mattress.
Anybody, he's gonna bust it laying on that bitch. So he's goddamn
Yeah, air mattresses are pretty sturdy.
Next thing you know, you on the floor. It's
It depends on
busted.
which one he
If
got.
he has a hole in it, duh.
Okay, if he got a good ass air mattress,
Super good.
I might come back.
If he has a king size.
Ooh, king size. You know they got
He got a little nightstand,
Double
a little
layer.
dresser, a little plastic dresser.
So we fucking on the air mattress. Air mattress or not? What if he fucked the shit out you?
But I don't want it to stay like that for too long. Like, you're gonna need to get a bed.
When did he ask?
What do you have a bed?
No, he needs a bed.
He comes through.
Probably at that time find his bed, but
Yeah, you gonna tell us.
You couldn't take him serious because he has an air mattress.
It just would be like, what?
no, I just think
What about if he had a
30 years
pallet?
old.
A pallet.
No.
If you fucking on a pallet.
I mean, ain't no difference in you fuck on the floor.
And I see the pallet. I'm gonna say that's time fuck on the couch.
I'm coming back to the
And
couch.
I'm gonna take you back in the living room.
It depends if he got a hard part.
What? Carpet
If he
burn.
has carpet, and he has some thick blankets.
Cause pallets, you know, I'm gonna still same thing. That'll probably be it.
Fuck up on that pallet.
I'm gonna fuck on the pallet if he got hardwood. I mean, carpet. If he got carpet.
I'm
What
gonna
if
say
he
you
got
gonna be
hardwood?
lit if he got hardwood. Damn.
Hell no.
No, if he got
You
carpet.
fuck that nigga hardwood? Bitch
Hell
want
no.
that lean.
I'm going back to the couch.
Okay.
Back to
Now,
the couch.
we haven't considered standing up fucking. Could always spin that ass over.
No, we need to be able to
Kitchen.
have options. This is fucking. Fucking is
Yeah, we're grown.
spontaneous.
Right.
I need to be able to lay down, my
Yeah,
nigga.
position.
If I
I
gotta
wanna go to
stand up
sleep.
the whole time. We don't need to be fucking.
What if I want to go to sleep afterwards? What's the good?
I expect this to last a good 25, 30
You gonna hold me all night on the pallet? That hurts. Laying on the floor hurts after a while. My
Sure
back and
hurts.
side hurt.
We're gonna wake up
Everything.
in pain.
Sore.
Wow.
So sore. What about mattress on the floor?
I'm fucking.
Mattress on
No
the-
rails.
No rails, no headboard, just straight mattress.
Mattress.
Basically, we fucking. Period. Unless you got hardwood.
I have
If you
that.
got carpet, we're fucking.
I'm
You
getting
got
mattress.
And mattress, we're
So
fucking.
there's no circumstances where
Yeah.
you're not fucking.
I was blowing. And
Hardwood
at least
floor.
10 blankets.
So pillows.
You might be eligible for review. You don't get an automatic.
Minimum of 10 blankets to be a hardwood floor.
If you're down there with a regular pallet, nah, you can't. I'm out.
Stack that shit up. Put some pillows up there.
So you
no
just know
furniture
y'all
at
fucking with a
all.
real bitch.
No furniture at all.
I know I'm finna nigga shit who they have nothing in there.
Ooh.
Why would you invite me over, sir?
Nowhere to sit, nothing to watch. Get your place together before you have some company. Relax. You gotta get to have company.
Oh my God.
Jeez.
Just wait. There's no rush. Alright. Ooh. So y'all, it's coming close time to end the rush show. Y'all want to do more questions?
Yes.
Ooh, it's two good ones. Which one y'all think?
That one.
Alright. The last question is, remember this is Hood Chronicles.
Hood Chronicles 101.
Alright. Would you fuck a nigga if his dick stank?
No. I'm not gonna be able to fuck with you. Sorry. So.
You gonna fuck a nigga if his dick stink, Ratchet?
No, I'm not
Talk
fucking
to
with
me.
him.
That's gonna be a no for me. No.
Have you ever fucked a nigga and his dick stink?
No. I smelled the niggas that had a stinky dick and we did not fuck.
I have
You
to.
being a cunt. It stank and you didn't proceed.
Yes. Hell yeah, I'll play that shit.
It stank and you didn't proceed.
No, I had put my hand on it and I had
Just
smelled
like
my
that.
hand. And I was like, he's like, man, come on. No.
Yeah, man, come on.
I'm
That nigga
good.
said no.
I'm about to go. I
I
can't.
hear you, bitch.
No.
No.
Man, come on.
No. Why would you want me to fuck your stanky ass dick?
Ratchets, have y'all ever pulled a nigga drawers down and it stank? You actually might have wanted to give him head. And it stank.
Oh my God.
It was.
I've never had a dick
I
go
knew
this
it was
strong.
dick stank. I
You
knew it.
lying.
I knew. You know, dick stank got a certain. You
Yeah.
just know it's dick
You
stank.
a must.
It's like,
Musty dick ass.
like nigga, and then bruh,
Smell yourself before you walk out.
So you
Check
not fucking a
everything.
nigga with that stank
No.
ass. You not fucking a nigga with stank
Bitch,
ass.
hell no. Ew.
I ain't gonna fuck you, bro.
I ain't fucking no stinky ass.
Ain't
y'all
no,
reckon
ain't
you
no
go
going
in there
to
and put it in the shower?
Ain't no. You should have been did that.
No.
It's too late.
Sorry.
The fact that you came over here and being inconsiderate, my nigga, that's selfish. That shows me that you.
Only stinky dick ass.
You don't even
with
give
this
a
my
fuck.
own nigga. We had been together for years,
And I
and
know
he done
you.
got off of work, and I just we done been at work all day.
Oh,
Okay.
babe.
Okay, that's cool.
Come on, babe.
Hush your mind. You do that.
But if you ain't my nigga, no. It's just like girls who be stinking.
Should you expect him to proceed?
He should.
First of all, bitch, clean up, especially if you know a nigga come. Even if you don't got no intentions on fucking hoe. That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh.
Bitch, get yourself together. Before your
Clean.
nigga
Check
come
yourself.
through.
Everything.
And when she say cleans up, she means make sure that pussy shaved. Make sure
Exactly.
that pussy's clean.
You don't
Take a
even gotta
shower.
be shaved, cause some niggas don't mind.
Look at her on that pussy.
Oh.
Okay, I agree. Even if it's not shaved. Even if he hadn't taken a shower before he got there.
I'll say this, line your shit up. At least line your shit up, ladies.
I
Come on
don't-
now. All
right.
the shit on the side,
Come
talking about
on.
the
Fix
panties.
it up.
At least make sure your panties gonna be cute. You know, if you got hair.
Well, all I gotta say is, even if you haven't, you should always prepare if you haven't confident to go ahead and take a shower. But even if he pulls up and you haven't, if you know you're about to get that dick, it's okay to go ahead and hop in the shower. He actually wouldn't mind you hopping in the hot shower. Don't feel bad or think it's suspect, ladies, to go ahead and hop in the shower while he's there. He actually would prefer to
And you
fresh
can
out
tell
the
him,
shower.
I'm at work all day. I wanna go.
Oh, I
They
haven't
gonna
had
think-
time.
Then they gonna think you super clean for doing shit like that.
He's not gonna think, oh, this bitch said
And most
no.
Then niggas should do the same shit. Take a bath before you come meet me.
We can send
In
it.
case you wanna.
You know.
He might want you to dry his face. He would prefer you doing that fresh
You be
out the
fresh.
shower.
You might wanna eat your ass.
Not work pussy.
Prefer to eat that
Not
ass.
sat on 8 hour, 9 hour shift pussy.
Get
You
up.
don't
Want
Get
that.
a piss.
Right.
All that gas.
Everything.
All that.
No, you just been sitting on your pussy.
Been
Tissue,
sweating.
tissue balls, all that.
Just get up and go freshen up
Let's
your
do
pussy.
it.
Even if he's there.
It's
Do
a
it.
pussy. It's a pussy.
Don't be getting no wipes doing the little bird bath.
Clean it.
Clean, salt, water.
It's a pussy.
Clean
It's a
it.
pussy.
It's a pussy.
Clean it.
It's a pussy.
famous words applies. It's a cross.
Hook 'em.
Okay. Okay, y'all clean your pussy tonight.
That's advice to y'all, and y'all niggas clean y'all dick too.
Yes, niggas.
Wipe it between them balls.
And fellas, would
clean.
you even want a bitch to proceed if your dick stinks? Like if you know your dick stinks,
Yes,
it's okay to ask
just
a bitch to
fine.
hop in the shower. Niggas got pride, so they not gonna do that.
Nigga, fuck. No one who dick stinks. That's
I
just
hope
self.
But what if they put on a rubber and hope the smell will go away?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's gonna make it worse.
If I
Rubber
smell
and
your
stinky
dick,
dick.
no.
Especially when you.
Cause it shit already on that rubber sex stink anyway.
Right.
I hate rubbers.
I'm sorry, that rubber sex stink.
It do have a smell.
If you going for a long time, that shit stink. Period.
It just has a smell. Rubber smell.
Even if you fresh pussy, nah,
It's
fresh
rubber.
dick, it's
Don't have
rubber.
that smell.
Stink.
Oh, what about the after smell?
That's what I'm talking about. The after rubber smell is what I'm talking about. Not even in the beginning. You don't smell shit. You been fucking a long time.
The rubber.
That stanky ass
Okay.
rubber. So just imagine a stanky ass dick with a rubber.
Ugh.
Advice again. Clean y'all shit, women and niggas.
Especially if you got an ugly dick.
Alright,
Ugly
y'all.
dick?
Ugly dick. I
don't really look at it like that.
I've seen the ugly dick.
Ugly dick? What's an ugly dick?
Ooh, what is
I
that?
haven't seen the ugly dick until this ugly dick.
How was it ugly?
I don't want to describe it.
I like to know.
This thing is
What
so
made it ugly?
It's so ugly.
The dick?
Yes. It's ugly.
Well, what makes a dick cute though?
I mean,
look
it's-
good.
I like a vein.
I was just about to say
I like a veiny, shiny dick.
A nice shiny dick.
I like a
little fade on the
smooth.
dick.
I like a smooth head, a red smooth head.
Oh, me too.
I like a nice chocolate.
We like the
dick.
same lips.
I like that.
I like veins and a shiny red head.
I like fade, like low cut. I don't like bald dicks. Don't shave your dick hair.
I like a little hair. I'm sorry.
I like a
need
little,
hair on
but
your
I don't
dick.
like a lot.
I don't like a lot.
I don't like thick ass shit.
messy dick hair.
Mm-mm.
Nappy dick hair.
Shit
Calm
just
down,
out of
brush
there.
that shit out. Get a brush, my nigga. Just
I ain't tripping on the bitty bees.
Oh.
nigga hair be sound like this.
Hey, I ain't tripping on the bitty bees.
I mean, I'm gonna see the dick.
Right, I'm about to say the same. I'm still gonna do that, but I
I'm just saying.
prefer not too much bitty.
Get that shit together.
Hood Chronicles 101. Y'all can learn some shit. What's up?
Basically.
It's time.
To go. It's time to go. It's time to go. We gotta end the show. Hey.
Y'all really didn't know who was gonna say
Y'all
that.
just make that now.
And you know what's the beautiful part about this show? We always have a goodbye blunt. What we going out to tonight, ladies?
What's popping right now?
I wanna go out to. Hey, and shout out to my nigga Down to Earth chick. It's her birthday.
Yes, summer.
Shout out to one of our loyal followers at Down to Earth Chick. Follow her. She's a loyal follower at Down to Earth Chick. It's her
Happy
nigga
birthday,
today.
girl.
Happy birthday to a very good friend and a very loyal follower.
Okay, what y'all
So
want
what
to
we
hear?
going out to tonight so I can spark this last bitch. And said, Botham John smoked. This blunt is for Botham John because he smoked. He did.
Alright, y'all.
Botham
We're gonna
smoked.
take it out slow for all my ladies, all my couples, all my fellas up there. Go ahead, have a good night.
Have a good night. Tune in. Tell a friend.